Man, being rich has to be the nicest thing of all, but most of all, being rich through apartheid has to be the best thing that could ever happen to you. Because now this guy, former Bosasa COO Angelo Agrizi, has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for corruption and money laundering. However, the Pretoria High Court has wholly suspended the sentence for 5 years under a plea agreement with the state. Agrizi appeared virtually from his hospital bed and has committed to cooperating with the authorities on ongoing Bosasa related cases. So yeah, this guy won't even go to jail for a long time, maybe for 3 years. And since he's in hospital, he'll probably, sit at home because of poor health. They've done this before. Politicians, they pretend to be sick. Even Jacob Zuma had this same thing because he needed to go to court at some point. He pretended to be sick or something like that, and then journalists obtained his medical records. So it's an old stand that they can do. So this guy is pretty rich, so rich that he had his sentence suspended. I've never seen this. Like, even a politician or anyone, I've never seen such a thing, that they sentence you to 10 years and still suspend your sentencing and suspended for 5 years. I mean, yo, man, if there was privilege, this is real privilege.